Hi, everybody. We're working on a new song in our intermediate ukulele level class. It's called Dream a Little Dream of Me. It's not exactly new. It was written in 1931, and it has a lot of cool jazzy chords in it. We're in the key of C, but on the bridges, we zip to a whole different key center. We're going to go up to the key, or actually we're going to go down to the key of A, and then find our way back to C again. It's a good old shuffle. So I'm just doing down, down, up, down, down. Really mellow, nice and easy. And I've got a drum app going on my phone. Nice little shuffle. A boom, chugga, boom, chugga. We're at 75 beats a minute. A 1, a 2, 3, 4. A star shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. A bird singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say nighty-night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be, dream a little dream of me. A star is fading, but I linger on to you, still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear, just saying this. A sweet dreams to sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave no worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on to you, still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till the dawn, dear, just saying this. A sweet dreams to sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave no worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a